Hey there, Escambia Focus users, and welcome to a Byte of Tech with your Student Data Systems team. Today, we're going to talk about how easy it is to run reports on your average daily attendance and a report for attendance by date. So let's go ahead and get started. From that portal homepage, go down to the attendance bell. Here, look under Reports and choose Average Daily Attendance. Next, when this screen appears, notice across the top you have several different columns and that you can change the order of those columns from ascending or descending based on the arrows. You can change that report time frame by choosing the calendars at the top for a day or a date range. And then if you look at the right-hand side, you're going to see some other options. You could create a district summary by attendance. You could group by month instead of grade. And on this page, you can also change that date range using the calendars at the top. Or like most focus screens, you have an advanced search. When you choose this, go to More Search Options. And here you can choose a particular student, grade level, or levels. I can also come to the bottom and choose from other criteria. For example, if I wanted to know attendance for a grade level for a class period, I could choose that here. Once I make my selection, scroll back to the top and click Search. Remember, clicking Reset will remove all selection choices. If you go back to your home page and to Attendance, you can also look at the Average Attendance by Day report. Notice this report gives you some different options along the top, from date, grade, to your average daily membership, days possible, present or absent, percent of students that are chronically absent, average attendance, and average absent. You can also sort in ascending or descending order. And like the previous report, you can change the date range using those calendars. Now, another feature in Focus to remind you of is that you can export files or print from these buttons in the top left, or you can print from the button at the bottom. And again, you have that advanced search on the right-hand side. And now you've done it. You've looked at average daily attendance reports and average attendance by date. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out our other recommended videos. And that is a Byte of Tech.